Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Creative Sundays. So yeah, and if you are new, hi and you are most welcome to my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to learn a few more earrings from pistachio shells, which are so easy and simple. But what I want to suggest is use fabric colors instead of watercolors, which I am using in the video right now as I'm showing you. But what I have found is after a few days the watercolors are flaking off from the pistachio shells, but the fabric colors are not. So yeah, so better to use what fabric colors than watercolors. The mistake I have made, don't do it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for further notifications whenever I upload a video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, honeys, and you can also ask me what the other videos you would like to see in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.